Hey y'all, if you love brunch as much as I do, get ready. Because today I'm sharing my buttery croissant casserole recipe that'll have you crowned flavor king of breakfast. Now, when I say buttery, I mean it. The secret? Flaky, rich croissants as the base. First things first, grab about a pound of day-old croissants, split them in half and lay them out on a baking sheet. Crank your oven up to 500 degrees and toast those beauties cut side up till they're golden and caramelized, about 5 to 10 minutes. Watch them close, you don't want to burn your brunch. While those croissants are cooling, let's make the magic happen on the stove. Heat some olive oil in a skillet, toss in a big ol' handful of sliced scallions, the white and light green parts, and crumble in sweet Italian sausage. Don't skimp on the sausage, y'all. Brown it up real good, then sprinkle in some fresh sage for that cozy, herby flavor. Once it's smelling amazing, pull it off the heat. Now, grab a big bowl, tear those toasted croissants into hearty pieces, and toss them with your sausage mixture. In another bowl, whisk together 8 eggs, 3 cups of whole milk, a cup of heavy cream, a big heap of grated Gruyère cheese, salt, and black pepper. Pour that luscious custard over the croissant mix and give it a gentle stir. Lightly oil a big baking dish and pile everything in, spreading it out nice and even. Pour whatever custard's left over the top, then press those croissants down so they soak up all that goodness. Cover it up and pop it in the fridge. At least 4 hours, but overnight is even better. This is perfect for prepping ahead of a big gathering or lazy weekend morning. When you're ready to bake, heat your oven to 350 degrees, sprinkle the rest of your Gruyère over the top, and bake for about 45 minutes until it's golden, puffy, and set. Trust me, your house will smell like a French bakery. Let it rest for 10 minutes, then shower it with those fresh scallion tops for a little color and bite. Slice it up, serve hot, and watch everyone go back for seconds, maybe thirds. So if you loved this buttery breakfast croissant casserole, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your fellow brunch lovers. Catch y'all next time at Cray's Flavor King for more crave-worthy recipes. Enjoy every bite.